Jamaat-e-Islami has staged several rallies in the past few months, the latest one of which, entitled Go America Go, was held on Sunday. Led by JI chief Syed Munawar Hasan, the protesters expressed their growing concerns with the U.S. clandestine activities in Pakistan, such as those of Z, formerly known as Blackwater, and alleged interference in state policies. This is an ongoing campaign by Jamaat-e-Islami for mustering support from the public and sending a clear message to U.S. officials to leave the country. These protesters, many say, leaves no doubt that the U.S. can bridge the trust deficit between these people. Highly critical of the government, the GI chief said Dr. Afia Siddiqui, a Pakistani held in U.S. custody on terrorism charges, should be released, and Zardari's administration shouldn't turn a blind eye just because U.S. is a major provider of aid to Pakistan. He stressed that the country is in peril as the ruling Pakistan People's Party has landed the nation in an economic crisis for which there is no end in sight.
US wants the country to be in a state of anarchy, so control of the nuclear assets is given to the international community. America wants terrorism to spread while the Pakistan army serves as its mercenaries. And all the Zardari can do is challenge the Chief Justice to retain his presidency, while innocent are killed and businesses shut down due to inflation.
Experts say the U.S. administration has meddled in Pakistan's affairs for long and dictated its terms to the weak democratic government, which is criticized for the deteriorating situation. They say only masses now can mount pressure to change the government's stance.
These really have a huge importance. They should play their vital role to eradicate the activism of American, you can say, underground activities, because Pakistan is a sovereign state and the whole nation, they think that there should not be any role of Washington in Pakistan foreign policy.
But following a court ruling which overturned an amnesty for politicians facing corruption charges, analysts say the current government should bow to public demands and step down for the sake of national interests. In Rawalpindi, Sib Kafi,